G'day, VW here, and how you doing? Today's video we're going to carry on working on the 71 Kombi, and we're actually going to take it down to a place that'll test it to get it registered.
Okay, so got ourselves a box from Kip, which has a bunch of goodies in it. So let's find out what those goodies are. So this, I don't actually know what it is. Some of the things in the box are. This is a left mirror. You see, I'm guessing this is probably a right mirror. Two and two together, you get one. Okay boys, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this left mirror out. It's already opened because obviously you need to check for damages. But luckily we don't think there is. They're pretty nice, much nicer than we've got on already. That is the left side. And this is obviously the right side. I think. No. Yes, it is the right side. And they're actually very nice, very high quality. There you guys, you touch these wing mirrors. Yeah, it's very easy to touch. Just screw it on, turn it around, then you tighten this and it latches and it won't come off. And it's pretty tight space, so I'm just gonna keep them closed. They're pretty nice mirrors. They come with mirrors outside, you can turn them. So the other side is already done as well. Very easy installation. So they look nice, just gonna hopefully paint them blue so they match, but they look pretty good.
So because of the age and the condition of the 71 Kombi, I knew that it wouldn't pass over the pits. The indicators didn't work, a lot of the lights didn't work. So what we found was a company that actually checked the car, in other words go over the pits for registration. But also what they'll do for you is, assuming it doesn't pass, which I think we knew it wasn't going to, they are actually prepared to then make the repairs and fix it up for you so that the car will go over the pits or get registered legally on the road. So that was what we found. We found a place called Pepco, and so that's the plan now. We're going to just wash the car so it looks a bit cleaner, and then we're going to take it to Pepco and we'll see if it passes or not. So today we're getting ready to take the car to put it over the pits, and we're just going to give it a quick pressure wash. So we've taken the bull bar off, put the old number plate back on the front, we put the mirrors on, all the doors and that are on. I'm not sure these tyres will pass, but the place we're taking it to have said that they would fix anything that's wrong, so that's good. Looking at the exhaust from the rear, that we changed from one of my other Beetles. I think the sun's pretty bad. Let me come around this side. And there you are. So Josh is getting ready to pressure wash it. We'll get a trailer and we're going to take it. So we all loaded up and ready to go. Kombi's on the trailer. So we're all tied down and we're heading for the pits. We have Petco to drop off the Kombi and we're going to get it tested and see if we can get it over the pits. So, did it pass or did it fail? Well, unfortunately it's a fail. There was so much wrong with the vehicle. I drove it in and before it went up on the ramps, Pat actually did the inspection himself, the owner of the place, and he went around the back and he said to me, okay, you know, push the brake, put on the indicators, put on the lights, and each time it was, well, there's no indicators, no flashing, push the brake, only one light came on. Then he went around the front and only one of the headlights worked, and again none of the indicators worked. And so while I'm sitting there, he comes to me, he says, you do know this car's going to fail, don't you? So yeah, so I just laughed at him, and he said, yeah, you're going to have a list of stuff to fix. And I said, no, you're going to have a list of stuff to fix. So yeah, we didn't expect it to pass, so no surprises there. But at least now they do that first test, they get a list of items that he needs to fix, and his garage is actually right next door, and all he does is the vehicles go next door, and he's got another shop there where the mechanics actually repair the vehicles, and then they bring them back down in so that you can get it retested. And I mean, they should pass because obviously his mechanics have done the work and know what needs to be done to get it over the pits. So right now that's where the vehicle is. It's at Pat's place, and they're busy working on it to get it to pass so that we can get it registered, get the number plates on it, and we can start driving it. So that'll be great. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll keep informed on how it's going. And yeah, take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.